In today's video, we are going to show you how to draw a horizontal line in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once inside the dashboard, I want you to make sure that you are on the trade platform. This will open up the chart panel. And of course, you want to make sure that you are on the asset you want to analyze, whether it's a Forex, crypto, or OTC pairs. Now, next thing is you need to look for the drawing or graphic tools icon. It usually looks like a pencil, a pen, or a small drawing symbol. In our case, we have a pencil icon here at the bottom left corner, or maybe along the bottom of the chart area. I want you to click on it because this will open up the tools menu. Here, all I have to do is scroll down and find the horizontal line, because the horizontal lines are extremely important because they help you mark the support levels, resistance levels, and the previous highs and lows. For example, we're going to be choosing a different color. Let's say in this instance, we're going to use a yellow. You see, the line here has been added. Now you can drag that specific horizontal line at the bottom, at the top, at the middle. It's up to you. You can also increase the thickness if you wanted, so it's a lot visible. Of course, you can use these horizontal lines for a previous high to mark resistance or a previous low to mark support. Okay? And then you see that whenever I click that horizontal line, there is a small pop-up window that appears. That means you can simply copy that, lock it so that no one can accidentally edit it, especially if you're working in a collaborative environment where you give access to your clients, your team members. And then if you want to delete that specific horizontal line, you can simply click the delete button. It's super simple. And again, all I have to do is go to that pencil icon right here, go to the horizontal lines, and of course, you can add as many as horizontal lines as needed here in Quotex. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to draw horizontal lines in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.